Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Hyundai Accent headlight. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch. Next, gather your necessary tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Once prepared, open your car's hood and securely position the prop rod to keep it open while you work. Now, let's begin by detaching the grille cover. You'll find approximately 7 plastic rivnuts securing it in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew these, then gently pull them straight out. Remember to keep all removed fasteners in a safe spot, as you will need them for reinstallation later. This step provides initial access to the headlight assembly. With the grille fasteners out, proceed to remove the metal bolts. There are usually two 10mm bolts on the grille cover itself. Next, locate a 10mm bolt at the back of the headlight assembly and remove it. Finally, you'll find one 10mm nut at the front of the headlight. Carefully remove all these fasteners to free the assembly. Almost there. Before pulling the headlight out, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the light bulbs. These usually have small tabs you press to release. Once all wires are free, gently wiggle and pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting points. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. You've successfully removed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.